Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Heavy Rain. Just start us, the music is getting loud. I'm pretty sure I got copyright strike last time, so. What's the, I should have a hint. Hey, so I do not remember what's going on, happened last time, so. Hope you guys are liking this game so far.
Good evening to you, sir. Can I help you, sir?
Well, I hope so. My name's Scott Shelby. I'm a private detective. I'm investigating the case of the Origami Killer. I'd like to ask you a few questions.
My son is dead, Mr. Shelby. I have nothing more to say.
Who's your son?
The killer has kidnapped another victim. A 10-year-old boy. Like your son, Risa, I have 4 days before we find his body on a deserted stretch of wasteland.
No one did anything to save my son. Now, you would please to move along, sir.
I also lost someone I loved. I know what you're feeling.
Then you will understand that I do not wish to talk about it.
Oh, do you sell inhalers? I'm all out, and at least I won't go away completely empty-handed.
In the back of the store, to the right.
Thanks.
If I have to, it's like
Said he didn't want to talk. Might have known something.
What was called the inhalers. I know you just got seconds.
Good evening, sir. Are you looking for something in particular?
Give me what you got in the register.
Yeah, I knew that.
Don't fucking try anything. Open the register, you dumb fuck. Put the money on the counter. Shit, are you deaf or what? Are you gonna open that fucking register or not?
No, sir. You do not have the right to steal that money from me. I have worked very hard to earn it. You cannot have
I don't know
it.
the options.
What did you say? You're out of your fucking mind, man. You don't get it, do you? I'm gonna put a fucking bullet right between your eyes if you don't do what I say now.
You shall not be robbing my register, sir.
Don't.
That money is mine. I ask you now to leave before it is too late.
Christ, goddamn idiot! Open the register! Don't make me fucking kill you! Hey, you! Come here!
I tried.
I said come here now! Don't move! Hands up! Put your fucking hands up or I'll shoot!
Don't panic.
Are you deaf? I said put your hands up! I'm warning you! I'll shoot!
Look, it's not worth it. Put the gun down and just walk away.
You giving me advice? I'll give you some fucking advice!
So what are you gonna do? Someone could walk in the store any minute and sound the alarm. You haven't got a chance of getting out of this.
The first guy to walk in here gets it right in the face. Fuck it, man, you're making me nervous. And when I'm nervous, there's no knowing what I'll do.
My name's Scott. What about you? What's your name?
Andrew. My name's Andrew.
You don't really want to shoot anybody, do you? I'm sure we can find a way out of this mess, right? Now, I want you to put the gun back in your pocket and quietly walk out of the store. My friend and I will forget about what just happened, and you'll have earned a second chance not to fuck up your life. What do you say?
Nice try. For a second there, you almost had me believing all your shit. And now, give me...
Oh, crap. It was the guy with the holding down both triggers and blowing it down. No, it's down.
Don't move, sir. I'll call for an ambulance.
No, I'll be all right. Bullet just grazed my shoulder. Goddamn punk kid. Doesn't even know how to use a gun.
Thank you for helping me. I don't know what would have happened without you. When my boy, Reza, disappeared, I received a letter with a locker ticket inside. Inside the locker, I found this box. I do not understand what it means, but I think it must be a sort of message from the man who took my son from me.
Can I?
Please,
Origami.
take the box if it can be of any use to you at all. It did not help me to save Reza, but maybe it will help you find the other little boy.
He's gonna walk off getting shot.
Mr. Shelby, I was beginning to think that there was no good to be found in this place. I can see now that I was wrong.
What is she? We meet her. I don't know. Like I said, I have not played this game like that. So. It was forever, actually. Why is there is there like a big, like little, oh, there's stairs right there. Why is,
Goddamn insomnia. I'm totally exhausted, but I just can't sleep.
uh-oh.
I shouldn't take those damn pills again.
There's water. Is that water? I don't know.
A hot drink is what I need. "2:47 a.m. Always the same time. I really need sleep. How hard can it be to fall asleep? hot shower. That'll create the magic of sleep.
They don't want to get up.
Maybe I'll go to bed and give the sleep thing one more shot.
You're gonna fall off the bed. Hey, honestly, that'd be pretty funny if you did.
I swear I heard something. Good job, Madison. I think you're starting to lose it. If I try to stay busy, it might actually help me get to sleep.
Up here. I don't know where anything is. Stuff. That's a weird sink. Let's need like 4 people. Like the only one. I have no knowledge. This sink I've seen. I guess I could here. It's peas. Get the crap out of me.
I think I'm starting to be seriously scared. How on earth did the fridge just open like that? Get it together, girl. You probably just left it open by accident. The fridge door. I'm sure I closed it. Come on, it couldn't have just opened on... There's someone here. There's someone in the apartment. The phone on the desk. I could call for help. The front door. It's the only way out. If I can reach it, I still have a chance.
I'm gonna go for the phone. Never seen that. At least got past him. What new bonus unlocked? Because you've unlocked a new bonus. Like, what? I might take Hanos. It wasn't the longest of videos, but hey, I didn't want it to be too long. I just want to make a little short video, kind of. Or extras. Bonuses. The content are okay. Have a good day or night. Bye.